What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So our portfolio has taken some hits. We are down 5% year to date. Comparing that to the S&P 500, we are trailing it right now. Let's break down some of the moves. I'm going to go over some trades that I'm looking to do in the future. I'm probably going to remove some stocks and add to certain ones for high conviction plays, so stay tuned. So let's get into it. Let's look at what stocks have been trailing. UNH is a big hit right now. It was trading around $370 and then sold off 100 points after that news. So we are currently down 2%. We have a $300 cost basis. I thought we were safe with this, but clearly we're not. But it is starting to move back to trail to 300. I'm going to break down on the chart what I'm looking with UNH because I'm looking to make a play with that. And also Nike stock has been trailing me for the last year, hasn't been making any gains, only making dividends. We have $10,000 invested, so we're going to look at that chart and analyze that as well. And Microsoft for me is the biggest opportunity of 2026. It's a no-brainer in my eyes, and I'm going to break that down for you as well. Google, we're still going to sit on this. It's up 90%, no problem. Home Depot, I'm comfortable with this. I like keeping Home Depot in my portfolio. And FSPGX, we are getting closer to that $400 every single week we add to this. We're trying to get this to $100,000. So we have about $76,000 invested in FSPGX. If you take a look at Nike on the 1 year, you can see that it has been rejecting this line continuously throughout the year. And now it rejected 75, it's rejected 68, and it's rejected my cost basis at $66, which I was holding, hoping to get a pop back up. What I'm looking for is a move like this. I was waiting for Nike to consolidate in this wedge and then pop out and break out. But we need some positive news here. I'm gonna have to follow a stop loss on this one because when I zoom out, if we break this level right here at $60 per share, I would imagine that this is going to start to go lower and we're gonna head up into the 40s. That's not a risk I wanna take, so I gotta keep a tight stop loss with Nike. UNH is a very similar thing here. If you look in the last year, when it sold off from $600, it sold all the way down to $230. I've been accumulating shares on this move up, waiting for that break. We have a cost basis of 300. Thought I was in the clear around 380s, and then boom, we had that nasty news, and basically all within 1 to 2 days, I was down, moving down 25%, putting me basically break even on this stock. So I'm definitely cautious here. What I need to do is make sure that we do not break below this low of $280. If we break below 280, I might just cut it and move this money elsewhere because I think opportunity cost at the end of the day. Last, I want to show you just Microsoft. Microsoft is playing out the way I want it to. As long as we can hold $400 per share, I feel comfortable with this stock. And looking here, we are clearly trading at the bottom of the channel. And this is a very big company that has had a lot of success and has a clean balance sheet. And that is what I'm looking for. So I want to see, can we hold this $400 per share level? I'm looking to continue to build this position. And I want to see a move back up to at least $480 per share. When you look at this stock, it has done nothing but outperform over the years, and I'm willing to put the trust into that looking at their balance sheet. When you look at the 1 year, we are trading around a 30 on the RSI over here, and 392 seems to be the low on this, so we just need to watch, are we going to hold this level? It really needs to reclaim this 400 and get a pop from there. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Check out the channel, Trading Simplified. Click on the links here where you gain access to joining our community. Click on the link wap.com right here. You can directly chat with me, and also if you want to support the YouTube channel, you can also become a member and you gain access to exclusive videos just like this. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you next time.